Hello, everyone. It's Stephanie Harvey here, and welcome to Family Feud. Tonight's segment is on waves. Our first contestant joining us tonight is Gigi. Welcome! Gigi's a small girl from California. And she knows so much about waves. She loves to study physics, and she is just ready to rock it out today. Yeah! The second contestant joining us tonight is Kate. Welcome! This is our country girl from Tennessee, and she is ready to show everyone what she knows and has learned. Hey, y'all! And last but certainly not least, we have Sophie. Hey, Sophie. She is from Alaska, and she's happy to be down here in Charlotte, North Carolina, about to show up everyone about all the physics knowledge she knows. You got anything to say?
No.
Okay. Let's take a look at our first question. What does this diagram represent? Yes, ladies. Yes!
Diffraction!
Up next, our question is, the angle of incidence equals the angle of...
Refraction.
Wrong.
Reflection.
Yeah! Why?
Because the law of reflection says that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection.
Getting tense. Who will win? Next up, we have not only my favorite question, but also one of the hardest out here. It says, calculate the speed of light in water. This is even giving me a headache. Look out your hair. Let's go. 2.256 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Ba-bam! Kate, go for that explanation.
Well, I found this answer by using the equation V equals C over N, and then the speed of light in a vacuum is 3.0 times 10 to the 8th, and then I divided it by 1.33 because that's the index of refraction of water, and then I got my answer.
Next, we have, in sound, frequency affects its...
Volume.
Incorrect.
Pitch.
Right!
No. Oh.
Gigi, you were super close, but that's wrong because you were thinking of amplitude.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that.
Our next question is super similar. In light, amplitude affects its...
Someone help me. Do you know it?
Cheating? Not allowed.
Brightness.
Perfect. Up next, we have another super hard, tricky math question. It says, light traveling through air is incident upon a piece of flint glass at an angle of 35 degrees. What is the angle of refraction to the nearest degree?
The answer is 67.43 degrees.
Wrong.
Oh. But how?
You flip the incident index and the refraction index.
Oh gosh. Type something on like your calculator. 20.87 degrees.
Yeah, totally right. Let's hear how you got it.
So, use Snell's law. I plugged in all my numbers and got that.
Here we have a diagram. Let's see. What letter represents wavelength?
A.
Yeah.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah?
I was thinking,
Mm-hmm.
is B amplitude?
No, B is height because it goes past the midpoint of the wave. So if it were just this height, it would be amplitude, but since it goes above, it's height.
Got it.
Yeah. That made no sense at all whatsoever. This is getting so tense. Ask questions, ladies and gentlemen. What kind of waves do not require a medium? Let's hear it.
Electromagnetic. An example is light.
OMG. Do we have a tie?
Well, then what do we do?
Oh, I'll tell you what happens next. We have a bonus question of the night. Sudden death is what we call it here. Race to the finish line. Yeah. The question is, what is resonance? Sophie!
When two objects have the same natural frequency and the one that's vibrating causes the other one to vibrate too.
Yeah! I'm so happy for you. Here we have Sophie, our Alaskan winner. As a prize, she gets to take home this wonderful slinky to practice her waves every day. How do you feel?
It's amazing.
Blow a kiss. Once again, thank you for coming out to watch our extremely competitive game show. Let's give one last wave to our contestants. Longitudinal, transversal,